Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you for following us in our unboxing videos where we showed you all various components we would be using to build our very first Ethereum mining rig. In today's video, let's put all the components together and let's do this machine talking.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Before we start building, let's recap all the components together. An 850 watt deep cool PSU to power and fire up all the components in our rig, followed by PI plus risers to connect 4 GPUs. Coming up next is the CPU BioStar TB250 BDC Pro Intel Pentium processor. We are using TP-Link Wi-Fi dongle. Our rig memory consists of 8 GB RAM plus 120 GB SSD. We went with 4 Nvidia GeForce 160 Super, which consists of 3 Eno 3D 1660 Super and 1 MSI 1660 Super, and PSI splitters to connect to risers and power the GPUs. Let's begin with PSU and focus on each cable type, what each cable does and where it connects to your motherboard. This is a 24-pin cable in charge of powering your motherboard and its peripherals. This cable gets connected to the right side of your motherboard. Next we have 8-pin CPU connector. This cable takes care of providing power to your CPU. The socket is usually near CPU on most of the motherboards. Next we will insert 8 GB RAM into our motherboard. Make sure the latch is unlocked and you place the RAM correctly and lock the latch back. The power cable is to power on off the rig. For our motherboard, this is at the bottom right section. But to check on your motherboard, we recommend you to refer the manual and then connect it accordingly. We will be making a separate video on how to safely connect the GPU using risers. But for now, let's just connect our 4 PCIe card on our motherboard. And next, connect the other end of the USB cable to PCIe 16X main card and 16 connector to power the riser. Next, insert the graphic card and make sure it's locked correctly. Next, our SATA or serial ATA power connectors are used to power up our SSD, which is coming from your PSU. And this is also called as SATA cable, which is connected to your motherboard, taking care of the data transfer. The other end of the cable you can just plug into any of the SATA ports on the motherboard. On the mining frame, we opted for something cheaper like this one and probably saved around 2000 rupees on this. We will leave the link in the description if you want to opt for it. The overall cost of a mining rig is around 2.4 lakh. power on our rig. We opted to use the Linux-based OS for our mining rig. We'll make a separate video on how to use the Hive OS. For now, let's just check out how much hash rate we are able to achieve. So here, as you all can see, 4 GPUs are up and running. We've already set overclock for each one of them. The Eno 3D GPUs are giving around 32 mega hash and MSI GPU is giving 33 mega hash. Total hash rate currently achieved is around 128.7 mega hash, and it's stable as you can see over here. The total power drawn by 4 GPUs is somewhere around 300 watts, considering the motherboard, CPU and other peripheral takes around 100 watts. So the total power is 400 and total hash rate achieved is around 128.7. Let's head over to what to mine calculator and enter this value which we got. As you can see, our mining rig will make $7.31 per day. Let's say electricity cost will be around 10 cents, that's 7-8 rupees. Monthly, we will be able to make approx $219.29, which means our mining rig will take almost 15 months to break even. But currently, we are able to achieve $100 for 2 weeks of mining. So let's wait for the end of month to see how much we actually make. We'll surely update you all on the same. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below.